You ever been to the sushi restaurant? Seen those little crispy octopus balls? Have you ever thought, how hard is it to make those? Well, I'm here to show you that it is actually fairly difficult, and but it's simple. So today, join me on my journey to make delicious takoyaki. In future, I probably wouldn't use 2 eggs as it was a bit much. I'd also add a bit more water just to make it a smoother batter, but you know, you have to adjust these things to your own liking. Taco in Japanese means octopus. So here's our octopus. So what you want to do is trim off the head just below the eyes, reach in under the legs, and you'll find the beak. Fun fact about octopuses, this beak is made of the same material as your toenails and fingernails and hair, and that is the smallest size an octopus can squeeze through. Octopus fun facts with Uncle Mort. How very fun. Now what you want to do here is grab yourself some salt, sprinkle it over the whole octopus, and then massage it in nice for about 2 to 3 minutes. What you want to do is you just want to make the octopus firm up. The legs will eventually start to curl up a little bit, and that's how you know you've massaged for long enough. Get yourself a pot of nice, boiling hot water. Dump your octopus in there, leave it for about 15 minutes. So this is my best mate, Duke. You might know him from the logo and the banner, but what I want to know is just a little bit about him. So Duke is a 7-year-old purebred Australian cattle dog, and we rescued him just nearly 2 years ago. He's the best boy that you could ever have. He's not much of a guard dog, but unless you're a bowl of biscuits, you don't have anything to worry about anyway, because Duke's as soft as a baby's bum, aren't you, mate? I like to take Duke wherever I go, so he'll probably be in most of our adventures. He's the best boy there is. The good thing about Duke is he also doubles as a goat. He loves eating grass. As always, chop up your green onions nice and fine.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Can't. You've seen me slice this before. It's like deja vu, right? Slice your octopus into 8 equal parts. Very simple. They've got 8 legs, so just cut it into 1-leg pieces. Slice that octopus up into nice, even, small pieces. Don't forget these are got to fit into your takoyaki pan, so make them nice and small. Alright, this is our takoyaki pan. Get it nice and oiled up, add in your batter, and now don't worry if it seems like I'm going outside of the molds. You're actually supposed to fill up this entire space. It'll make sense in a minute. Right, so add in your bits of octopus, and then add in all whatever else you want to put in there. You may have some tempura bits, you might have some like rice bubbles or noodles will work either. You just want that textural crunch. So we've added our octopus. Next you want to grab some green onions, and after that you want to put in a little bit of pickled ginger just to contrast the flavors. Alright, so I sped it up a lot because this took like a decent amount of time and I didn't want to sit here for 11 minutes and talk you through all of my movements. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cutting out each shape in the pan, and from there what you'll do is you'll fold in the edge bits, and from there it's just a matter of folding and turning, folding and turning, folding and turning. And you guessed it, yep, more folding and more turning. Eventually they will form spheres and you'll have like some delicious, delicious little takoyakis. Don't be disheartened if you think that you can't do this. This is actually my first attempt, and although it wasn't fantastic and perfect, it worked out in the end and they were delicious. So once our balls are nice and golden, I just add a little bit more oil to help them fry up and stay crispy. But from there, it's just a matter of, yet again, folding and turning, and yeah, more folding, turning, until you have just your perfect little octopusy balls. These takoyaki balls could also contain anything else you want to put in there. If you're vegan, it's easy to put in like a vegan meat substitute, vegetables. You could also change the batter up without dashi and use chocolate and make these into like little tiny chocolate lava cakes. That would be, oh god, that'd be so, I'm gonna go do that right now, holy crap. Traditional toppings are Japanese mayo and some okonomiyaki sauce, but you can also just use barbecue sauce. It tastes pretty much exactly the same. More pickled ginger, more green onions, and some bonito flakes. Don't miss out on the bonito flakes. They are the best part. Yet again, I'm sure that there's a vegan substitute for something like this. I just don't know it because I'm not vegan. Good?
It's hot. I shouldn't have shoved the whole thing in my mouth.
Yeah, absolutely not.
But it's really good.
He's the best boy that you could ever have. He's not much of a guard dog because, you know, he's normally asleep, but... And there you have it. It's as simple as that. If you get onto eBay, you can look up takoyaki pans and they are around $30 with shipping. So frankly, I don't believe that this is inaccessible to many people. My name's Uncle Mott. This has been Uncle Mott's Kitchen. Stay tuned every Monday for Uncle Mott Monday. Next week, oh boy, it's a delicious one. Trust me.